Hey guys, this is Vic here again. In this video, I'm going to show how you can tag customers to reps so that whenever a customer places an order, the rep gets a commission. Moreover, the reps can see the customers that are tagged to them so they can keep a track of the customers. So l- let me just show you. So this is my rep back office. I'm already logged in as a rep, and you see like we have this my customers. So we have I've tagged a customer that shows up here. So the tagging process is really simple. So all you have to do is copy the reps tag. So go to your team, whichever rep you want to tag in their profile, you'll see their tag. So we have one system generated tag or a tag that you can put. This is what absolutely most of our clients prefer. So I'll just copy my tag with, I'll find a new demo customer. Let me put that tag here. Da-da. And we save this, and that's it. Now this customer is tagged to my rep account. Whenever this customer places an order, I get commission, and I will also see this in my account. So this usually takes a few minutes to sync all the data and show up. So it will show up here. Let's see if it's gone through yet. Da, 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 da. Yeah. So this is the customer we just tagged, and it shows up over here. Uh, Couple of more things I want to show here is we can also do bulk tagging. So a lot of times there's scenarios where you want to tag like 30 reps, 30 customers to a rep. So in that case, you'll just upload a CSV file and we'll do the bulk tagging. Please note this does take a few minutes to process in the background. So in this file, the format is pretty simple. You'll just need the customer's email and the rep's email. That's about it. And then using those, because those are the unique IDs, using those we can easily tag the customers. Oh, one more thing I want to show is in the my customers section in the dashboard, once this feature is turned on, reps can add customers to your store. So this means if you have 10 reps and each rep is adding 3 4 customers every month your customer base is increasing. So yeah, this is the whole feature for tag customers to reps. Thank you.